Hello everyone, I hope you are doing well. Today we will talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of a connection problem on Shazam. You go to settings. Here in this page you will go to apps, default apps, app settings. In this page you will search about Shazam and you will click here in this window as you see, and you will click. Then we click on first stop and you will click OK. Here you will enter the storage. Then we click on clear cache. In the end you will turn off your phone and you will restart your phone again. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time and thank you for watching.